Hey everybody, it's Craig Vector here, and I'd like to do something different. I'd like to edit your raw portraits. So I set up a special email for you, and all you have to do is send me your raw portraits. And about a week or two from now, I'm going to release the video of me walking you through how I would edit your photos. Now, I'm not the best photo retoucher, but I just thought it'd be interesting to see your work and then put my own spin on it and see how that turns out. Now, I know there's a lot of great photographers out there, so it gives me the opportunity to see your work and also to feature it on my channel as well. So if you're interested, all you have to do is send me a raw portrait. Now, I set up a special email for this. It's iedityourrawphotos@gmail.com. I'll have that pop up on the screen. It's iedityourrawphotos@gmail. It's all one word. Now, you can use a service like WeTransfer if your file's too large. It's a free service, and that'll allow you to send me your raw photos. So I'll have those both pop up on the screen. So here's the criteria. Send me a raw portrait that you shot with pretty good lighting, because it's hard to retouch an image if the lighting's not half decent. So find one of your images that you're proud of that has some pretty decent lighting, and then I'll pick the top three and I'll walk you through some of the things that I would do in the retouch, and hopefully you get something out of that. So anyway, if you'd like to participate, just pick one of your top images with good lighting. Make sure it's a raw image, and if there's any information that you'd like me to know about the photo or how you took it, then you can also include that, the lighting setup and all of that stuff. And send your raw photo to iedityourrawphotos@gmail.com. In about a week or two, I'll release that video. Anyway, thanks for watching my YouTube channel and being a subscriber, and thanks for participating in this. All right, thanks again, and I'll see you when I release that video.